Life is stressful sometimes.
You fail.
So let's fix that. No, not that. This is much better. This is a Piña Colada. A Piña Colada is a light cocktail with fragrant, fruity flavors, perfect for celebrating once you finished your finals. I'm your fully licensed bartender with 0 years of experience, but plenty of tasting expertise. Now, here's how to make the Piña Colada.
Do not give alcohol to anyone who's under the age of 19. Do not drink and drive. Do not operate on heavy machineries while or after consuming alcohol. Please drink responsibly.
To make a Piña Colada, you will need a shaker cups, a 12-ounce glass, a shot glass, coconut cream, pineapple juice, fresh pineapple, and whipped cream for garnish. The spirit we'll be using for this demonstration is Bacardi white rum. And now, let's make the drink. First, measure how much ice you'll need by filling the 12-ounce glass to the rim. Transfer that ice into the shaker cup. Add 1 shot of white rum. Pour pineapple juice into the shaker, filling it almost to the top of the ice. Add a spoonful of coconut cream. Feel free to add more if you want a creamier texture. Now close the shaker cups, apply pressure so they don't slide, and start shaking.
My ex-man brought his new girlfriend. She's like, oh my god, but I'm just gonna shake into the
Open the shaker cup. Pour the shaken drink back into the 12-ounce glass, then top with whipped cream and a piece of fresh pineapple. Ta-da! You've just made a delicious Piña Colada. Now you can sit back, unwind, and enjoy your cozy fruity drink.